Nandi. I from Group 31 of Introduction of Civil Engineering. Structural engineering. Structural engineering is the one of the subfield of civil engineering. Structural engineering is study on design, the construction of building and non-building structure. Structural engineering also needs to understand and calculate the strength and the pressure that support by the structure. Remain the structure in the safety and stable condition. Structural engineering is very important because it needs to concern to the safety of people. Coastal engineering. Coastal engineering is also a diversion of civil engineering, which is responsible for the organization, conception, development, and preservation of works on the shoreline. The objective of these tasks are to involve management of shoreline erosion, improvement of navigation, channel and harbour, and management of pollution in nearby marine environment. Coastal engineering typically includes the development of structure in addition to the transportation and probable stabilization of beach sand along with other coastal sediment. Geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is the branch of engineering concerned with the analysis, design, and construction of foundation, slopes, tunnel, and other systems that are made of or supported by soil or rock. It uses the principle and methods of soil mechanics and rock mechanics for the solution of engineering problems. And the design of engineering works, it also relies on knowledge of geology, hydrology, geophysics, and other related sciences. Environmental engineering. Environmental engineering is also one of the subfields of civil engineering. It is a professional engineering discipline that takes from broad scientific topics like chemistry, biology, geology, hydrology, and mathematics to create solutions that will protect and also improve the health of living organisms and improve the quality of the environment. Environmental engineering have to come out with solutions for wastewater management, water and air pollution control, recycling, waste disposal, and public health. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So my name is Munira binti Muhammad Zain, and for this subject we required to do 4 assignments throughout the semester. So each group, which is group 1 and group 2, was given 2 assignments, and I will explain about the assignment that was assigned to group 1. For group 1, we need to do an assignment based on topic structural engineering and water resources engineering. For the first assignment, we need to calculate the total weight of any building around our campus. So the first step is we need to find and choose a building as our building reference, and the second one, we need to show the structural layout and the dimensions of the building by sketching them. The third one is that we need to carry out the approximate measurements of each part of the building, like beam, roof, slab, and column, and calculate their weight. And if the building is identical, we can choose either to calculate the whole weight of the buildings or part of it. And lastly, we must calculate all the load that was carried out by each beam and column. So that's all for assignment 1. So let's move on to assignment 2. For the second assignment, based on topic water resources engineering, a proposal of coast erosion and sandbar formations that happen at Kuala Besar, Kelantan was given to us, and we need to provide conceptual design for the proposal. So what is coastal erosion? Coastal erosion is the loss or displacement of land or the long-term removal of sediments and rock along the coastline due to the actions of wave, currents, and other impact of storm. So to solve the problem, we need to design a coastal land reclamations at the river mouth to provide new land area in the place of the eroded coastline. Meanwhile, as for the sandbar formation, it happened due to the strong northeast monsoon wave, and it has very dynamic sandbar movement that cause sand depositions at the mouth of the river. So we need to design a dragged channel and to allow access for boats into the river at all time. First thing that we need to do is we need to find a place to do reclaiming and drag. So after that, we need to sketch the layout of the reclamations and navigation channel, and then we have to estimate the size of land area to reclaim and drag. And lastly, we have to calculate the volume of the material required for the reclamations and volume of sand for the navigation channel. So that's all for assignment 2.
Hello, my name is Nifakim Zikli, and I will be talking about the assignments from Group 54. There are given 2 assignments. The first one is issue of civil related to geological, geotechnical, and transportation engineering in tropical climates. And the second one is about the land reclamation and dredge area. So let's go one by one. What is environmental engineering? Environmental engineering is the engineer that use the principle of engineering, soil science, biology, and chemistry to develop solutions to any environmental problems, such as water pollution, air pollution, and plastic pollution. They also have come up with many solutions in order to overcome those problems. So what is geotechnical engineering? Geotechnical engineering is one of the branch of civil engineering that related to the engineering behavior of earth materials that use the principle of soil and rock mechanics. For instance, the landslide, the movement of a rock, the rise of earth down a slope is considered as geotechnical problems. There are a lot of contributing factors that cause landslide, and they also have come up with many solutions to overcome these problems. Next up, what is geological engineering? Geological engineering is a branch of civil engineering that involves the survey of the geological condition of a particular area. There are 2 situations that cause geological problems. First one is dry seasons, and the second one is wet seasons. One of the many examples of a geological engineering issue is sinkholes. Sinkholes have 3 types, which is solution sinkholes, cover collapse sinkholes, and cover subsidence sinkholes. The last one for the first assignment is transportation engineering. That means a branch of civil engineering that is involved in planning, design, operation, and maintenance of safe and efficient transportation systems such as roadways, railways, waterways, and intermodal operations. We all know in Malaysia we have tropical climates which affects the transportation systems. So, for example, heavy rainfall and high temperatures that impact on railways. In conclusion, both projects need us to think and have a large vision towards civil engineering field scope, and we also can use what we have learned in the class. That's all from me. Thank you.
So hi guys, now we are already at the end of the video. I, Muhammad Ahmad bin Khairul Anwar, will conclude all the 4 assignments, which is the first and second assignment are from my group and the others are come from the other groups. From the first assignment, we learn about the structural engineering, which is each group need to choose a building in our university and calculate the weight of the slab, column, roof, and beam. The second assignment is related to coastal engineering. This assignment wants us to sketch the layout of reclamation and navigation channel due to coastal erosion from the river mouth of Sungai Pangkalan Datu to the river mouth of Sungai Kelantan. Next, environmental engineering. The third assignment, which is individual assignment. In this assignment, every student must choose a topic, for example, water pollution, air pollution, environmental issue in general, or plastic pollution. Then, they need to do a short video about the pollution, where they come from, what's the effect, and how to prevent it. Last but not least, the fourth assignment, which is geotechnical and transportation engineering. In geotechnical engineering, they talk about landslide. There are many types and causes that we need to know as civil engineers. Therefore, in transportation engineering, there are several examples of tropical climate on railway, an issue on air transportation. To sum it up, those all four assignments are related to civil engineering, and also the main subfield in the discipline such as the structural engineering, geotechnical and transportation engineering, coastal engineering, and environmental engineering that have been highlighted by the expert lecturer. From the assignment, we learn many things about civil engineering, which help us to gain more knowledge regarding what civil engineering is all about. So, that's all from my group. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.